So this is a set of bridge cupboards that is going in quite a small room. I think it's a guest room for the customer. So they've got some extra wardrobe space here and then a set of cupboards here. So we add a soffit, what we call a bridge panel, which goes underneath the bridge cupboards, and the point of this is it gives you a scribe line against the back wall, so there's no gaps, and it also covers these the joins in the bridge cupboards and the gap at the end where we've got a filler scribed in at both ends. So we have this overhang here, and what we're going to do is cut this bridge panel so that it fits flush back against the edge of the chest. So we need to cut this much off the back edge against the wall to give us a nice scribe. So if the wall's uneven, it'll give us a good finish. It's exactly the same method as we would use for a worktop as well. You'd work out the overhang of your worktop, set your compass accordingly and scribe it off. So having set up this panel so it's parallel all the way along the front, so it'll be touching the wall where the wall sticks out the most, but the important thing is that this edge is parallel to the cupboards. And then using your chosen scribing tool, so compass, you set that to meet this edge all the way along here, and then we'll transfer this dimension to the back wall. So I've actually bought one of these scribing tools. I thought they looked quite interesting. I have made a slight modification to it, in as much as when it came, it comes with two little raised bumps here, which I've removed, because what that meant is, as well as following the wall on this front edge, the back, if there's a bump on the back wall, it would rock the pencil as it went along. So I've removed those little bumps and I just press it at the front edge to keep it flush. So we have the overlap here, set the compass, take the compass, and we now scribe this line along here. I've already marked it, I won't do it again because it will leave two lines, which is never a good idea. We scribe along here, we cut to that line using the downcut jigsaw blade, and that will enable the bridge panel, or if it's a worktop, to slide back to a line at the front where you need it. So there's the panel, and you scribe back, it's now flush with the edge. See where it's scribed along the back wall. And because this panel is too long, or the bridge is too long to have the panel in one piece, there's a join in the middle. And so this is the second piece now. Just setting it up to scribe, cut to length so it fits in. And so same again, set the compass to the dimension that protrudes, having checked first of all that it is parallel all the way along. And if you see, just to get it to sit level, I've just popped a little wedge at that end just so that I can make sure that this front edge is parallel all the way along. So I'm going to set the compass up now, scribe the back off that, and hopefully that will push back and will line up in the middle here. So that's both panels scribed. I've used the factory cut end to meet in the middle, so there's a nice straight join in the middle. And it's inevitable that there will be joins in panels sometimes, so you sometimes just have to accept it. So it's scribed to fit the back wall, and sits flush along the front edge. So that's the procedure, same for worktops as for the bridge panel. Hope that helps.